Losing your marbles, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, losing one's marbles. This phrase might sound a bit quirky at first, but it's a colorful way to describe a situation you've likely talked about before. So, stay tuned as we explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. When someone says they're losing their marbles, they're not talking about misplacing a collection of small glass balls used in a children's game. Instead, this idiom is a light-hearted way to say that someone is losing their mental faculties or becoming confused or forgetful. It's often used humorously to describe moments of forgetfulness or silly mistakes that everyone makes from time to time. The phrase, losing one's marbles, has an interesting history. Though its exact origins are a bit murky, it's believed to have appeared in the late 19th to early 20th century. Marbles, in this context, likely refers to one's wits or sanity, with the idea being that losing them is akin to losing something valuable or essential. The imagery of losing small, easily misplaced objects like marbles vividly illustrates the concept of losing one's mental sharpness or grasp on reality. Using losing one's marbles in conversation can add a playful or empathetic tone, especially when discussing minor forgetfulness or confusion. Here are a few examples. In a light-hearted complaint, "I must be losing my marbles. I forgot where I parked my car again." In empathy, we all have days when we feel like we're losing our marbles. Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In storytelling, my grandfather, bless his heart, started losing his marbles a bit in his old age. But he always kept his sense of humor. Remember, while this idiom is often used humorously, it's important to be sensitive to the context and ensure it's not used in a way that could be seen as offensive, especially when discussing serious issues related to mental health. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, losing one's marbles. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression, adding a fun and useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Whether you're describing a moment of forgetfulness or empathizing with someone's scatterbrained day, this idiom is a playful addition to your conversational toolkit. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, it's okay to lose your marbles every once in a while. It's all part of being human.